Yeah, they have to speed, don't they? They have to speed through it.
We're learning tonight at least one person has died from the flash floods as water poured into their basement. This is the scene in New York City. Drivers sitting on their trapped cars while others run away from rushing waters. Flash flood warnings issued with officials urging drivers to avoid waterlogged roads. But the subway is also a mess, water streaming through the ceilings of the station in Brooklyn as commuters try to make it home. And scary moments in New Jersey. This is why a young girl rescued from a flooded car, a massive tree falling on this Bergen County home as well.
The results of that geoengineered, so they say, storm, and this is how it affected New York with flooding, and Newark, New Jersey as well. Y'all can go check videos of that on TikTok. But it did enough damage over here. And I seen it in Brooklyn. It's just enough damage. So I know Manhattan looks horrible, you know, just like it shows in the video. But with that, I say shalom. Be safe out there. You know, do what you gotta do. Shalom.
Yeah, they have to speed, don't they? They have to speed through it.